Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be okay and will be learn your lesson properly. Let we start our study with the chapter number 1, physical quantities and the measurements. In this chapter you have learned about the physical quantities, its kind, base and drive quantities, and its units, base and drive units. Today we will continue this chapter with the topic prefixes. In our lecture, the contents are its prefixes, its definition, explanation with examples, and we will describe its table, and in the last we will make some quick quiz. Let me start with its definition. Prefix. Definition. First of all, you have what the idea of its meaning. Prefixes. Pre mean first, pre mean before, pre mean priority. So you have to fix some words or the letters before SI unit, then it is called a prefix. We will define prefixes are the words or the letters added before SI units. For example, you have a digit of 1000. You can write it in the form of prefix. You can write only the word kilo. It is equal to 10 to raise power 3. So easy to write kilo and easy to write 10 to raise power 3. The next example is mega. It is a digit of 7. It can be written in the form of 10 to raise power 6. So kilo and mega are the prefixes. Why we need prefixes? In our calculations, sometimes we have a digit approximately up to 26 or 27 digits contains, and sometimes we have a figure up to 26 or 27 in minus ratio. So the mass of our earth, let we take an example. The mass of our earth is 6 into multiply 27 kg. So how we can write this 27 to remember the mass of earth? So simply we can write in its prefix form 6 into 10 to raise power 27 kg. Is it clear? So prefixes are useful to express very large or very small quantities. However, double prefixes are not used. For example, you cannot write two fixes together. For example, kilo and mega you cannot write together. Only prefixes can write in a single form. So here are some prefixes used in your textbook. I will read all one by one because in the chapter we will write only the symbol of the prefix. We cannot write its prefix name. We will only use the symbol and its multiplier in the chapter. So please listen clearly and read with me. First prefix is exa. Symbol is E and multiplier is 10 to raise power 18. Number 2, peta. Its symbol is capital P and its multiplier is 10 to raise power 15. Number 3, tera. Symbol is T and multiplier 10 to raise power 12. Giga. Symbol is capital G and multiplier is 10 to raise power 9. Mega. Its symbol is M and its multiplier 10 to raise power 6. Kilo. Its symbol is K and its multiplier 10 to raise power 3. Hecto. Its symbol is H and multiplier 10 to raise power 2. Deca. Its symbol is DA and 10 to raise power is 1 its multiplier. So these are the positive, and here we are use the prefix for the smallest value. Deci. Symbol is D and multiplier 10 to raise power minus 1. Centi. Symbol is C, 10 to raise power minus 2. Milli. Symbol is M, 10 to raise power minus 3. Micro, symbol is mu, 10 to raise power minus 6. Nano, symbol is n and 10 to raise power minus 9. Pico, symbol is p and 10 to raise power minus 12. Femto, symbol is f and 10 to raise power minus 15. And the last is atto, symbol is a and multiplier 10 to raise power minus 18. Is it clear, my dear students? You have learned its symbol before because we are only used its symbol in the calculations. Okay, let me take some examples. Our first example, you have a figure 2 0 0 0 0 0. You have 1 2 3 4 5 0 with 2. It is a quantity. You have a digit. You can write in the form of prefix like this: 200 into multiplier 10 to raise power 3 meter per second. And in the form of prefix you can write 200 kilometer per second. So you can get a shortest form, easy to remember for you. So another example, second, you have a figure 4800000. You have 50 with this figure. So you can write 4.8 into 10 to raise power 6 watt. So you can use 10 to raise power 6 as mega. In the last 4.8 megawatt, you can get a small figure to remember, 4.8 megawatt. Is it clear? Here we have a smallest value 0.00002 gram. You can write in the prefixes form like this: 0.02 into 10 to raise power minus 3, and 10 to raise power minus 3 is equal to milligram. So here you can see 3 examples, first, second, third, to describe the prefixes. In the last, you have quick quiz in your book. Name 5 commonly used prefixes. Its answer is kilo, mega, giga, milli, micro and nano. These are commonly used in your calculations in your book. Number 2. The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Write its value in ordinary number. So here answer is 150.94 million kilometer. Here you can use the kilo as a prefix. You can write it in ordinary number, 150.94 million kilometer. Is it clear, my dear students? So you have to make the home assessments, learn the definition of prefixes, practice some most common used prefixes in numericals and few examples on your notebook. So make sure you will do your homework properly, so easy to understand the next topic. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.